In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import job openings in Zoho Recruit. We'll walk through the full process together, step by step, so you can quickly bring in multiple job openings without having to create each one manually. This is especially helpful if you're working from a spreadsheet or a file exported from another system. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Recruit account and that you're on the Job Openings module. You should see a list of your current openings. Look towards the top right area of the screen. There, you'll find an option related to importing. Click on the import option you see in that upper right section. This is what will start the import workflow for your job openings. Once the import menu appears, choose the option labeled Import Job Openings. This tells Zoho Recruit that the data you're bringing in is specifically for job openings, not for candidates or any other module. Clicking this will open the main import interface where you'll choose your file and set your preferences. On the import screen, look for the Browse button, which is used to select the file you want to upload. Instead of clicking directly on Browse, click on the small arrow next to it. This arrow usually opens a drop-down menu. This is important because it gives you different ways to bring in your data depending on how your information is stored. From this drop-down, select how you want to import your job openings. For example, you might be choosing a CSV or Excel file saved on your computer, or another supported format that Zoho Recruit allows. Before you proceed, it's a good idea to quickly check that your file is clean. Make sure your column headers are clear, remove any unnecessary columns, and confirm that mandatory fields like job title are filled in. After you've selected your preferred import method and chosen your file, continue by following the on-screen prompts. Zoho Recruit will usually guide you through mapping the columns in your file to the correct fields in the Job Openings module. Take your time on this step, making sure that each column from your file matches the right field, such as job title, location, department, and any other key details.